This is Harry and Shirley, cruising all the time, today on the beautiful Star Princess. Take a look at this, the infinity pool at the back of the ship, and that wake stretching out behind us. Now that is a view you never get tired of. Out here, it's just you, the ocean, and miles of open water. Before pizza, a quick look at the eatery buffet, fresh carving station, beautiful spread, but we've got something else in mind. We're heading out for what might be the most talked about pizza on this ship. Want one? I don't. You go ahead. All right. Pepperoni Detroit. One slice, please. Thank you. All right. Here we go. Wow, that is incredibly good. This is Detroit style, thick, crispy edges, soft inside, and the flavor is outstanding. The vegetarian Detroit pizza was so good, I had to come back for more. And now, margarita. Let's see if it holds up. This might actually surprise you. The quality here is better than a lot of places on land. Tomorrow we'll be in Honduras, but right now we're sailing across the Gulf, enjoying a perfect sea day. Overcast skies, mid 80s, and honestly, this is about as relaxing as it gets. When you look out over the ocean like this, it reminds you just how vast and beautiful this world really is. What a view. When we were last in Honduras, someone asked us, "Are you missionaries sent from God?" And we said, "No, but we do know Jesus, and we'd love to introduce him to you." People there are incredibly kind, open, and welcoming. We're looking forward to going back. After Honduras, more Central America, then Mexico. So we've got some great days ahead. And yes, Shirley already has a plan. Vanilla in Mexico, bracelets in Roatan. So we'll be busy. But here's the real question. Is this the best cruise ship pizza? Honestly, it's right up there. If you come on the Star Princess, don't miss it. This is Harry and Shirley, cruising all the time. If you enjoy cruise content like this, full tours, food reviews, and real experiences, make sure you subscribe. God bless you, and we'll see you on the next cruise.